Hey guys, it's your girl Jay. I'm back with another video. I do want to say this is going to be a voiceover because I didn't record in the video. But I do want to say this wig is linked to my Amazon storefront. Will be linked in my bio down in the description down below. But this is a 13x4 HD 26-inch lace frontal wig clip. It will be after I plucked and bleached it. I did a widow's peak for the first time, and I must say I definitely snapped. 10 out of 10. Must recommend. Go get that wig, y'all. Down in my description down below. Hope you guys enjoy.
You got some high hopes, baby. Fucking crazy, I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for nothing, you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect.
He's in love in the crew.